Welcome to week 9, day 2 of the Rebuild Your Core series. So glad you're here. All we're going to need today is a Pilates ball and a yoga block if you want one. We're going to go ahead and get started with our warm-up. We're coming down onto our stomach here. I'm going to be doing some Y raises. You can do 5 of these. So inhale, exhale, and little exhales as we bring those arms up diagonally. We're using our upper back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good work. Now we're going to come into a neutral pelvis. I'm going to use the yoga block. You don't have to if you don't want. Just going to breathe 3 times here. Now we're going to come onto our back. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your legs to 90. We're maintaining that core activation here. And we're going to be doing leg extensions. So we want to exhale as we lower and as we bring back. 2, 3. If you need to keep your legs bent like this, go ahead and do that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Okay, come on up. We're going to be doing a plank hold. So if you need to be up on a higher surface, go ahead and do that. Again, modification is beneficial for your body. It's not a cop-out. I'll say that a million times. So you can be down here on your forearms or up on a chair, but we're going to inhale, exhale, sip up, and little exhales as we hold. Halfway. Three, 2, 1. Good job. How are you feeling with that plank? We've been working up to it a little bit. I hope that it's going okay. Now we're going to come into a supported V-sit. We're going to put the Pilates ball between our knees. So the supported is us holding ourselves up with our arms. And then as we hold the V-sit, we're going to squeeze 3 times with our inner thighs on the ball. So inhale, exhale, sit up nice and tall to the crown of your head. We're not dumping into our arms. We want to be pressing up with our upper back muscles. And 1, 2, 3. Come back down. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 2 more, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, last one here, good work. Okay, we are back into our, I don't know why I'm getting up, back laying on our back, inhale, exhale. Make sure you have that nice neutral pelvis, ribs stacked over pelvis. And extend. 1, 2, keep those hip bones nice and level. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 10. Awesome job. Back to that plank. Ready? Inhale, exhale, and come into the plank. Little exhales, keep that core engaged. Push up through your shoulders. Little exhales. Four, three, two, one. Okay. Awesome, awesome job. That Pilates ball back in place. Inhale. Exhale. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Inhale, exhale. And 1, 2, 3. Good job. We're going to come into our cool down. Come into child's pose with me. Go ahead and take 3 breaths here with me. Last breath here. Good job. Come over into happy baby pose. You can have your hands here, on your calves, on your feet, wherever it feels best. Just breathe. Feel that pelvic floor expanding on the inhale. One more breath here. Put the legs down. Our last 3 breaths. Let go of any tension in your pelvic floor or in your abs or anywhere you're holding it, in your shoulders. Last breath here. Okay, good job. I will see you next time.